In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom background in Constant Contact. To begin, make sure you are working inside the email you want to update. Open that email in the editor. This is the main design workspace where you can preview your message and adjust how it looks. It helps to take a quick moment to look at your current layout before you change anything, so you can clearly see what improves after the update. Once you are in the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click the Design tab. The design area is where Constant Contact groups your overall styling options, like fonts, colors, and background settings. This is different from editing individual text blocks, because changes here typically affect the whole email design in a more consistent way. Inside the Design tab, find the section labeled Background and click it to expand the settings. Expanding this section reveals the controls you need to customize the colors behind your email content and around it. Now you will see two main background options. First, use the outer background color picker. This controls the area outside the email body. In other words, it is the surrounding space that appears around your main content when someone opens your email, especially on larger screens. Choose the color that supports your branding and keeps the email easy to read. Neutral tones often work well here, but the best choice is one that matches the look and feel of your message. Next, use the inner background color picker. This changes the background color behind your actual content, like your text, images, and buttons. This area directly affects readability, so pick a color that provides strong contrast with your text. For example, if your text is dark, a lighter inner background usually keeps everything clear and comfortable to read. After you make your selections, take a moment to review the email in the editor preview. The goal is a clean, consistent design where the outer background frames your message and the inner background supports your content without distractions. That covers everything you need to know.